Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my March Boxycharm unboxing. I actually was debating on whether or not I should film this and upload this because it is so late in the month and I never film Boxycharm unboxing this late in the month. But I just actually received this in the mail. Boxycharm was having some kind of delay with their Boxycharm boxes. So I'll let it slide this time. So that is why I am filming this, because I really wanted to show you guys what I received in my Boxycharm. I know that a lot of you guys have seen a lot of Boxycharm unboxings for the month of March. So this is nothing new, but I really wanted to get this up on my channel because it's been a while since I uploaded a Boxycharm unboxing. By the way, I just filmed a makeup tutorial on this look. I don't know yet if I'm gonna have the makeup tutorial up before the Boxycharm. You know, maybe I'll probably upload this first. So this makeup tutorial will be uploaded after the Boxycharm. So this look will be up on my channel after this Boxycharm video. So just be sure to follow me on social media and subscribe and all that stuff. But I'm gonna do the whole intro so you guys don't miss out. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rama. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to sit down and watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave so you guys can stay notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. I like to do makeup tutorials, unboxings, new makeup releases videos, and other kinds of fun things here on my channel. So if you guys want to be part of my YouTube family, please be sure to subscribe. So if you guys want to see what I received in March's Boxycharm, then let's just go ahead and get started. I'm feeling under the weather today, so excuse if I seem like I'm not as energetic as I usually am, but I think I'm starting to get a cold, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, as I was saying, this is what the box looks like. It looks like there's a lot of goodies on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the card theme is, or what this month theme is. So this month theme is in La Vie on Rose, so I guess this is just gonna revolve around the rose tone shade. If you guys are new to Boxycharm, if you guys are new to these kinds of unboxing videos, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 beauty products, and they include sometimes makeup, mostly makeup tools, skincare, all kinds of things, body care. So it's a really great subscription box. I can't talk. And usually the items in the boxes are usually worth more than the actual subscription itself. And I can't talk today, so excuse that. I will always have the prices and products and all that good stuff listed in the description box below. And towards the end of this video, I will let you guys know how much the box is worth this month. Sometimes I do battle the beauty boxes, but again, like I said, IPSY and Boxycharm did not come at the same time. When they do come at the same time or around the same time, I usually do, unbox both IPSY and Boxycharm. But for this month, I'm just gonna do individually. So let's just go ahead and grab the first one. This is from Moda, and these are the Moda brushes, the powder and soft glow kit. So I really love the packaging on this one. I think it's super girly. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up this one and see what it looks like. I love receiving brushes from Boxycharm because it just helps grow my makeup brushes collection. I have so many, and to be honest, I have not bought a makeup brush in so long because I always receive it in a Boxycharm. So if you guys are looking to grow your makeup collection or your brushes or anything like that, or you just want to try out new products, check out Boxycharm. I always have the link to Boxycharm if you guys want to subscribe. It will be listed down in the description box below. These are what they look like. They look super pretty, and they feel really soft, so I love that. So this looks like to be a powder brush. I don't know if I can use this as a foundation brush. Let me see if this has a name. It just says Moda, but I always have everything listed in the description box. But this feels really soft, you guys. And this is good to this is a little long to be a highlighter brush, to be honest, but you can use it to use as a highlight. What I would use this for is probably to dust away like the baking, if you guys do baking, underneath your eyes. But I really like these brushes. I think they're super soft, and I like a little rose gold, or like metallic rose gold barrels on the brushes. So this is really pretty. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the retail value for these brushes. These retail for $29. Okay, next up in the box is this one right here. This is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I like, again, the whole theme, the rose gold theme. I'm obviously not going to try this on because I have a full face of makeup on, but I have heard a lot of great things about this. Let's see what the claims are. It says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So this retails for $34. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like. I heard that this has a rose gold shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is what it looks like right there. And when you blend it out to your skin, it looks like so. Very interesting. Okay. And it smells really good, so I'm excited to try this out. Moving on to the next product in the box is this one right here. Okay, so this is from Appeal, and I've never heard. Hey guys, it's me. So my camera cut off when I was talking about the Appeal cosmetic product, and it also didn't show the part when I was talking about the Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco. But everything that I mentioned or everything that I received in this month's box will be down below in the description box, but I didn't realize that my camera cut off. So anyway, back to the show. Okay, my camera cut off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start off from the beginning when I introduce this. The next product and the last product that's in the bag or the box is this one from Cover Effect. So this is their Cover Effect Perfector Face Palette. So this retails for $45, and it comes with 2 highlighters, a brightener, contour, finishing powder, and a blush. So again, this is what the shade looks like. Really pretty, and hope that the sunlight is not washing out the shades because they look beautiful. And I did swatch it on the back of my arm. I did say that it didn't really show up on my skin as well. Like I said in a couple of videos, that sometimes swatches don't really tell the whole story until you see how it performs on your face and your eyes. We will see. I will definitely be using this in an upcoming makeup tutorial or like a first impression kind of video kind of stuff. I really love the packaging of this. I like that there's a big mirror and very compact, very sleek, so cannot wait to try this out. I'm actually using my phone as a microphone because sometimes the Canon Rebel mic is horrible, so I'm using my microphone on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on my MacBook and calculate how much the retail value for the box is this month. Okay, so I did tell you guys the wrong price for the Moda brushes. It's actually $29.99. So I calculated all of the products that we received in this month's box, and the retail value for this month is $149.99. So, and you're only paying $21 a month for Boxycharm. So I think that is a pretty good deal. If you guys are not signed up to Boxycharm and want to sign up to Boxycharm, I always have the link down below to Boxycharm website to sign up. Again, it is $21 a month, and you get all of these amazing products. And again, the box is always more than the actual subscription itself. So if you guys are Boxycharm subscribers, let me know in the comments down below if you received the same product that I received, if you received different products, if you guys wish that you guys received something else. Let me know how you feel about this month's box. So I would really love to hear from you guys. But yeah, that completes this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will always have the latest Boxycharm and Battle of the Unboxes video down below in the description box if you guys would love to see that. But yeah, again, like I said, that completes the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.